what your favorite whatever says about you. You're going with the safe choice, maybe a bit basic, but you're not wrong. Is this one really your favorite, or were you just told it should be? You're either really awesome, or you really suck, no middle ground. You are the middle ground. You are a very neutral person. You like the classics. Hey, that's my dad's favorite. Hey, that's my mom's favorite. You pretentious fucker. You piece of shit. You're cool. Like, actually cool. You are what the hipsters think they are. You are a child. And I mean that literally, like, you're not yet a teenager. You are a child. And I mean that as an insult. You are a contrarian. You do not exist. This is no one's favorite. This one shouldn't even count, but I'll let it slide because you have good taste.